Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Shein keeps closing. To know how to fix or how to solve Shein keeps closing up, you should just go to settings. After that, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page, you'll enter to the window or to the app of Shein, and you can click here in this page. Then you can go to first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can go to clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.